Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me and
Presley, Eve's granddaughter.
my granddaughter Presley is here with me today. We just wanted to pop in real quick and let you know why we hadn't got a video up today. We have been working on our classes for the May cruise that'll be coming up at the end of next week. We've been doing all the cutting and getting kits together and everything for that, so that's why we haven't got a video up today. We should have a couple videos up tomorrow and Thursday and Friday hopefully, but since we didn't get a video up today and since I have been promising you a giveaway, Presley is going to announce our giveaway. Now before she announces it, this is what we're going to need. We need you to make sure you're a subscriber to our channel. You like this video, and then you've got to leave a comment below letting us know why you would like to win this prize. So make sure you're a subscriber, like the video, and leave a comment below before you can be entered to win this prize. Now Presley, what are we going to be giving away?
$50 to the store.
We're going to give away a $50 gift card to our store. Now that means I will just mail you a code. Whoever who wins, I'll mail you a code, and you can use that code to get $50 worth of product out of the store. But like I said, you have to be subscribed, you have to like the video, and you have to leave a comment. If those three things are not done, then I will have to go on to somebody else when we start to draw. Now we're going to draw for this right before we leave for the cruise. So we will leave next Friday for the cruise on the 22nd. So we will draw on the 21st for this prize, and I'll let Presley draw the names out of a hat for the prize, and I'll let her announce who is going to be the winner. Alright guys, that is all I'm going to do today. Like I said, we're cutting lots and lots of things, as you can see, for the May Made It and Friend cruise, and so we've been really busy with that. It's the reason we haven't got a video up today, but we should have some tomorrow and Thursday and Friday hopefully, maybe one even Saturday. We might pop one in then. I just put this piece of paper down here to let you look at it because we're ready for some sun, so that's why we've got sunglasses down there. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching, and Presley, you want to say something?
Bye, and please subscribe.
There you go. Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.